So in this video, I'm going to be showing how to make some vegan electric brownies. So no eggs, no milk, none of that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and start with 2 cups of flour. So I'm using white Spelt flour, and then it's going to be 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 3/4 of a cup of cacao powder, and then we're going to be adding in 2 cups of brown coconut sugar. So I'm going to give that a good mix because I want everything to be, well incorporated. And now I'm going to go in with 1/3 of a cup of applesauce. And the applesauce that I'm using just has apples in it, nothing else but apples is from Eden. I really like it. And then I'm going to be putting in 2/3 of a cup of oil. Now the next time I do this, I'm going to do 1/3 of a cup of applesauce, 1/3 of a cup of melted cacao butter, and then 1/3 of a cup of oil, and see how that comes out, because I think it'll come out better than this one did, but this still came out fire. And then I'm going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of agave. And then now I'm going to mix everything up until just incorporated, because we still want it to be like a fudgy kind of brownie. And then I'm lining my glass pan with some parchment paper, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my brownie mix. So the oven should be preheated to 350 degrees, and it's gonna bake in there from like 25 to 30 minutes. And I want to give it a good shake so that the top is more even. And boom, this is how our brownie is looking. So you can see when you cut into it, it's like a nice cakey brownie texture. It's still kind of fudgy in there, and it's the bomb.com. I've been busting them down, eating them like crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know how it comes out when you try it.
Top tier, top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. What you doing tomorrow? If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman.